If your HP laptop or PC suddenly isn't playing any sound through the speakers or your headphones, don't panic. There are a few quick checks that usually get the audio working again, and you can go through them step by step. Start by opening the Start menu and heading into Settings. Click on System, then Sound. Under the Output section, make sure the correct device is selected. It could be your built-in laptop speakers or a pair of headphones you recently connected. Double check the volume slider too, just in case it's turned way down or muted without you noticing. If everything looks fine there, scroll down and run the troubleshooter under Troubleshoot Common Sound Problems. Choose Output Devices and follow the on-screen instructions. This built-in tool can automatically fix a surprising number of simple audio issues. Next, go back to the Sound page and select More Sound Settings near the bottom. In the Playback tab, find the device you actually want to use. Right-click it and enable it if it's disabled. You can even disable the extra devices you don't use to avoid conflicts. After that, click Set Default, then Apply and OK so Windows knows which device to prioritize. Another thing that can affect your audio is the Windows Audio Service. Type Services into the Start menu and open it. Scroll until you find Windows Audio, double-click it, and make sure it's set to start automatically. If it isn't running, click Start. You can also restart the service to refresh it. If you're still not hearing anything, open Device Manager from the Start menu. Expand audio inputs and outputs, then right-click your audio device and choose Update Driver. Click Search automatically and let Windows check for updates. You can also expand sound, video, and game controllers and update your main audio device there as well. If nothing changes, you can try switching the driver to high-definition audio device to see if that solves it. Once you've gone through these steps, restart your laptop and test the audio again. Most sound problems get fixed by one of these simple checks, and your HP laptop should be playing audio normally again.